Well, hey folks, super great guy is retiring, so we wanted to set up a photo booth where people could leave some video toasts to him. But you look online, you search for a build, it's mostly about the iPads and the lights just to set up a camera and not an actual booth to sit in. So we're going to make one. Principles are do it, make sure it's stable so it doesn't fall on anybody. Pretty cheap and easy for somebody with very little construction skills. Let's get started. I have a miter saw, drill, 16 gauge nail gun, and a bunch of 1x3x8 pieces of wood. The idea is to build something that it can fit into the back of the minivan. It's going to be hinged so it folds down for easy movement. Laid out the panels here on the driveway. Went with 48 inches by 80 inches. Of course, the minivan width is 48 inches, so I should have made it 46 inches. Amateur mistake I'll come back to. Nails didn't really hold up, so I went with these wood screws. Back to Home Depot to pick up some panels. These 4 feet by 8 feet ones are easy to cut on their big saw there, right down the middle. Moved construction into the screen porch just to protect us from the rain. Did some painting on the trim. So getting late, I'm starting to make mistakes. I might call it a night. Let's see. The MDF looks good. It's only a 1/4 inch thick. My nail gun was driving right through. I had to change the setting so it didn't go so deep. Let me turn it around here. 2 sides standing independently. Okay. That back row is going to be a soundproof curtain, and then I just primed the 2 front pieces that'll come up soon. Okay, so disassembled just so I could put the insulation in. Great thing with the Rockwool is it's 16-inch length, and since my sides are 42-inch long, I don't have to do it many cuts. The back is up against a wall, so it's just going to be a soundproof blanket or a moving blanket. Same 1x3s, hold it together with some steel brackets. Coming around the front, you see the roof, which needs to be tightened, also a soundproof blanket. Right here, I'm going to pause. Boom, there's one of the hinges. You pop out the pin and the walls come apart. And then coming around the front, I got to paint this white part black, just some 1x5s. Standard curtain. I'm going to put a chair here, new carpet. And there's the actual recording setup. It's a ring light with an iPad, just using the camera feature. If you remember, I said I made the panels 2 inches too wide, so I needed a friend's pickup truck. Okay, so finished product, tucked in there. Not a fire hazard. So you have, let's see. I added an extra soundproofing curtain. And here you see the setup. Microphone, ring light, iPad, and an inspirational photo.